So I saw this ad while scrolling on Instagram the other day and it got me so angry. This is the equivalent of saying that my partner's got a broken leg. He keeps tripping while walking, so I am just going to wear an eye mask so that it doesn't drive me insane. Please, let's not do this. Snoring is the sign of a very serious underlying disease called sleep apnea. And sleep apnea can cause cardiovascular disease, it can cause early death, and as well as really lower the quality of life for the person going through sleep apnea. Please let's pay attention to snoring. Let's treat snoring.